POV, you don't know what you're doing. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today we are back in Big Bear to come hit some trails and have some fun and enjoy this beautiful weather. It is freezing cold right now and I love it. We're gonna be doing something a little different today. Usually we typically bring out a variety of different trucks and do everything like that. We run trails and we record it. But today I want to do a focus on one particular vehicle because we got a pretty cool, pretty historic, pretty special build coming out with us today, and I want to focus on that. But before, let me quickly show you who's here, because it's low-key Jeep bash today. Like, it's all Jeeps. So we got a couple TJs over there. Winters is our only Toyota for the day, and then we got a couple JLs, and then this is our feature rig for the day. We're gonna talk about it in a second, but you guys welcome Burro back to the channel. He's our resident Subi driver. You guys remember the Forester that does everything all over the damn place?
Cut to the Subi clips.
Oh my God. Oh, no. Let's go! Give it up! Let's go! Little driver. Holy shit, he's walking it. Fuck yeah! He fucking walked it! He walked it! You know, Mr. Subi Burro, he has an X-J. He brought it out once and broke it. Almost flipped it. You know, normal Burro things. But let's go talk about this Willys over here. Let's see what's going on. Because honestly, like, Jeeps are cool, but this is the Jeep. And anytime I see one of these, I stop and look. So we're gonna hold off there. Don't do that yet. Let's talk about the outside a little bit here. Burro, talk to me. What's the year on this thing?
It's a 53 Willy. It's built for sand. My uncle built it for sand, but we're gonna crawl it today.
Absolutely. Now, you know it's a Willys because you see that right there? It's got the original hood, says Willys on the side. So 1953. So it's the same as the World War II model. It's just a civilian model, which is really cool. Now, the big surprise, let's go underneath. Let's see what's under the hood.
Oh yeah.
You guys take a guess. You see those headers? Take a guess at what that is. America, baby.
This is all America.
There it is. Got a Chevy 350 underneath. EFI swapped. And what else we got going on over here? Looks like we got a bunch of fun stuff.
Yeah. EFI swapped.
MSD ignition.
Normal Jeeper stuff, Chevy guy stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna sound like an idiot, and you know, it is what it is. All I know is Willys Jeep with a V8. It doesn't get more American than that. Now underneath is, you said Dana 44s?
Dana 44s, front and rear. We got front locking hubs. We got some sort of lunchbox locker in the rear. Don't know what it is.
Oh, okay. So, but it is full locked, right?
Full locked.
Yeah, full shits.
17-inch rims with the 33s on it.
It's only 33s?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to 37.
They look huge.
17-inch rim. Dude,
these 33s look massive on this thing because it's so tiny. This is Adam's normal Jeep. That's this thing's so tiny. It's so awesome. See, now the best thing about the flat fender, I can't wait till we get the Modelos out because we can start putting the Modelos right on there. Dude, you can put all your fucking tools. You can put your tool bag. You can do everything. Like, you don't need a helper, bro. You need a light. Just put the light right there as you work on it, you know? Damn, let's see what's going on underneath here. It's spring under too.
My favorite part of it are these bump stops that I've already beat up.
Yeah, I was looking at those.
They're
wait, is that supposed to be a full bump stop that you've chewed off?
Yeah, they're like
nailed it, dude.
Sand, bro. I don't know.
When he flexed it up on my truck.
Yeah.
Just tore it right out. Tore it right in half.
Right in half.
Just went.
Yeah, they're so soft.
So it didn't. The bump stop didn't stop the bump. No. Look, he's got a one-seater in here. Normal business. It's automatic. What's the third stick? Can you disconnect the front?
So it's a real.
You can disconnect?
Yeah. So I got the normal transmission, and then for the high-low, I can put it in and out. So I can do two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Yeah, that's the.
Can you disconnect the rear and do the front only?
I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't tried that yet.
We have some
so
things
I
to
don't
figure
know.
out.
Supposed to be a seat here. The original battery was a lot smaller, but it wouldn't start on that battery. So I got a bigger battery, and then I'm gonna have to relocate this to behind the seat. And I'm gonna have to wire up the switches for the trans fan that's underneath.
Got it.
So I'm gonna have to rewire to up here to where these switches are.
Dude, I love this dash. It's so simple.
And this is all original. This is all
right there. Look at that.
original
Just
shit.
stop and watch. Look at this.
Yeah,
And it's like,
nostalgic, man.
dude, it's just, and since it's like semi-engraved, like it's just, it stays nice. This is so fucking cool, Burro.
Yeah, it's legit.
Original body too, right?
Original body.
It's-
Not sure what frame it is. It could be a different frame, but I'm pretty confident that it is the Willys frame.
Probably check the VIN number or
I
something
don't
chilling
even know
out.
how
I
to
mean,
even do that, but yeah, it's solid. Street legal.
street legal
Registered.
too.
I got full coverage on it.
Yeah, you gotta register as a fucking classic,
Yeah,
dude.
got to be safe.
Says-
Always be safe.
Yeah, Burrow's smarter than all of us. The one thing I yet to carry is a fire extinguisher with my wiring mess under both of my trucks. But there it is. We're gonna be featuring the 53 Willys today. Let's get started. We're gonna go hit some trails. I don't know what trails quite yet, but we're gonna just go have some fun. Enjoy the shit show. Let's get it. Cargo passenger. Yeah, it'll, after like 30 seconds, the screen will go black and still return. Woo!
How close am I? On this side, you're gonna climb right here.
Your other tire is going to hit the other side first, and you're just about in a hole, so you're up right up on that rock right now. There you go. Now you're up on the rock. You're good. Straight on up.
Dude, that short wheelbase isn't even fair. Passenger coming up first. You might get some bumper action. No, you're good. Yeah, bring her on up, dude. Passenger. Passenger. Right there. There it is. That's good. Hey, Burro, want to trade?
What?
Yeah, actually, I kind of do want to try it. All right, let's find out.
The question is, does Dustin fit in a Willys?
I fit in the Willys.
Oh, how much labor room you got there, buddy?
None, dude.
Yeah, but if I sit straight up, I'm gonna hit head.
Can you put your foot on the gas at all?
Dude,
You're fucked.
It's so hard. And then just drop it down into drive. You can go all the way down and then go up.
So it's brake and then drive is all the way down? That's like first gear?
Yeah, basically.
I hit my head. Out here driving a piece of history. I'm proud right now. I don't fit in this thing. I keep hitting my head. It rides like shit. I can't reach the pedals. This is so awesome. POV, you don't know what you're doing.
So fun.
Okay, this is the absolute worst ride ever, but I was smiling the whole fucking time, dude. Thank you so much.
I know, dude. That's the same way. I'm like doing this shit. And I'm like, God damn it,
Dude.
this is fun.
My fucking ankle hurts so bad because I have to like
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I put that wrench there.
do some shit. Yeah. Oh, dude, you got strong axles, that's for sure. Nope, nope, nope. Put it in park.
She have reverse, huh? Oh, we got it. There you go. All right, a little bit more. You're coming up right now. All right.
How am I looking? Fine. Straighten your wheel.
Straighten out. You're good, bro. Driver. This is how Carl used to off-road. Little passenger, little passenger. Keep it right there. Let's crawl you up this rock. Let's see how she grabs. Stop right there. Let me get a photo. Let me get the photo. Burro, it's only you, bro. Only you would do this.
He might need to pull him forward a little because I think he's too off.
Are you carbureted or fuel injected?
Fuel injected.
You know. Hey, intro!
And then right through here.
Yeah, keep it passenger. All right, let me get in front of you in case you flip it again. Right there, right there. Right there. Keep it like that.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
There you go.
Hey!
Yeah. 2 hours later.
Finally.
Hey, you know we gotta do hard lines.
Yeah.
So fuck it, right?
All right, just finished up the trail. Everybody's back, everybody's good, but let's do a final checkout with Burro because we ended on a high note there. You know, lifting a tire high. Get it? Bad jokes. All right, Burro, let's talk for a second, dude.
Yeah.
Final thoughts. How did Willys do?
Willy did really well. I'm gonna have to invest in a kidney belt because it's pretty brutal to drive, and or better suspension. So I think I'm gonna lean for the suspension. But nah, that thing is it's amazing.
Also the pedal. Let's take a look.
Take a look at the throttle
Let's
control.
take a look at the throttle because this is pretty great. So I drove this, obviously you guys saw for a little bit, and it was hell. I smiled the whole time, but it was hell. Let's show you why. Check it out. That's your gas pedal right there.
So it's this big.
Yeah.
So I had to add the wrench so I could at least have my foot on the ground. Because if not, your foot's elevated and it's ridiculous.
For me, when I was sitting in it, I was sitting way too close, obviously. So I had to angle my foot in a weird way. And when I had it in drive, my knee was hitting the back of it. So I had to like angle my knee like this and like that. I had to like press on the gas like that.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Great day.
Absolutely great day. I think
mean,
it was a solid shakedown run, right?
Solid shakedown run. I know what I need to do to get this better.
Yep.
And that's basically why we came out here, was to make sure to see what it needed. And yeah, we're good. We're solid.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming out, and thank
yeah.
you for fucking letting me drive it, because that was a hell of a... To drive a piece of history is fucking awesome. So definitely happy with that. But that is it. That is a feature on the 1953 Willys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's a little bit of a different type of video. Let us know if you want us to do more videos like this, because we run a lot of the same trails, so I'd rather try and do something different where maybe we can focus on a specific vehicle for the day. Interesting builds. Like, no, it's not gonna be all fucking Tacomas and, you know, Jeeps and shit like that, but something interesting, right? Let us know what you think. I love feedback. Definitely want to hear what you guys think about that. But we are all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You also hit us up for You can also hit us up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Hit up Wagon Junkie for some hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies. But thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.